Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by drawing two distinct chords across the circle. Pick chords that are not parallel so their perpendicular bisectors will intersect. Once chosen, mark the endpoints clearly as A, B, and C, D so you can reference them. Use a straight edge and a sharp pencil to draw the chord lines cleanly. This prevents small angle errors later. Make sure the chords span different parts of the circle to avoid near-parallel bisectors, which complicate intersection accuracy. Now you locate the midpoint of the first chord by measuring AB and marking its half. Repeat for CD. Set your compass to slightly more than half the chord length and draw arcs from each endpoint to construct a perpendicular line through the midpoint, then draw the perpendicular bisector with the straight edge. Once done, do the same for the second chord. Make sure each bisector is long enough to cross the circle so their intersection point will be clear and stable. The intersection of the two perpendicular bisectors is the center of the circle. You can now mark it as O. To confirm, measure the distance from O to several points on the circumference. Each should equal the same radius. If you find discrepancies, check your bisector constructions. Small endpoint or arc inaccuracies cause large center errors. If needed, redraw chords or use a finer compass setting and repeat bisector steps. This troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.